Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm showing you how to instantly adjust the reading level of your writing using ChatGPT Canvas. So whether you're simplifying for a younger audience or elevating your tone, elevating for a more professional read, this is one of the fastest ways to tailor your text to the right reader, and it only takes a few clicks. So I'll walk you through exactly how to do it, and I'll show it to you right about now. Okay, so what we're going to do, let's say you have here a short story, but then you felt like you were unsatisfied with the tone and the wording and all, and just based on the total understanding based off of the reader's perspective, just what you thought, for instance. And here's a simple way to do it. What you're going to do, go down here in the bottom right corner to this pencil icon. And there we go. It toggled up this panel of these 5 options right here. And we're going to go with the reading level feature right here. Once you click this, voila, it turns into a slider. There we go. You can scroll down if you want it down to the basic and most understandable reading level for those readers, or you want it to be more complex and highly detailed and all with the graduate school level. It's your choice right here. Kindergarten, middle school, then reading level, high school, college, graduate school. Let's say high school. Okay, let's click this one. As you can see, it's currently processing. Oh, see right here. The wording just becomes different right here. There we go. See? Let me show you the changes. Okay. Right here in a quiet meadow, here's the old one, nestled between a thick, and this one between a dense forest. And a, okay, shimmering lake turned into sparkling lake not lived a solitary fox named Elric. So right here, going down here. Yep, it's based off of how it's toned down with the words and the descriptions and the imagery and all. See right here, let's all make the difference. And yep, it's actually quite easy with changing or adjusting the reading level on ChatGPT Canvas right here. It's simple as that. Just to recap, just scroll down your canvas, the middle feature, reading level, right here, up, down. If you want to go middle school level, click, and this will change again. There we go. Just a few seconds. See right here, it's much more easier, understandable, and that's about it. Yep, here we go. This is just a brief and very helpful guide in adjusting the reading level using the ChatGPT Canvas. So if you find this video overall helpful, so don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. If you could take just for a while to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. So thanks everybody, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!